So came in today to swap out the Nomadic Cooling 2000 for a Nomadic Cooling 3000. The 2000 has been great for us. We've beat this thing up though. You can see tree marks all over it. We've been in temperatures ranging from -12 to 117, and I mean, this thing has held up. Under the bed, like with the vents pointing right at you, even at over 100 degrees, totally fine. Even last night, we camped outside of your shop last night. We got here after sunset. It was still like high 90s last night. Totally fine. I actually had to lower the thermostat a little because we were too cold in 100 degrees outside. On a 100% duty cycle on the 2000, we could probably go like 8 hours or so. But also since the last time we were here, we hooked up a Nations alternator, and we're getting like 300 amps or so at idle. So even if we burn through our batteries, I mean, just running errands in town for like an hour or so, our batteries are charged up pretty quickly. I mean, honestly, it's not a necessity for us to upgrade, but again, we've just beat this thing up, and you know, why not have the best? So.